Hi all, welcome to today's session of Gyan Deepam. Our topic of this session is Gsuite. Okay, so now we are all using online platforms for our online session. So Gsuite is really compulsory for all those things. Okay, especially when we are using Google Meet, Gsuite is compulsory because it's so secure. Okay, and to avail all the advanced features of Google tools, Gsuite is compulsory. So today's agenda is what is Gsuite and what are the features provided under Gsuite and what are the pricing plan and how to create Gsuite account. These are the four main points I'm going to include in this session. Okay, so let us see what is Gsuite actually. So let us see what is Gsuite in detail. Okay, so Gsuite is a suite of cloud computing, productivity and collaboration tools, software and products developed by Google Cloud. Okay, so there are four main features available under Gsuite. First one is create, connect, control and access. These are the four main features available under Gsuite. Okay, then let us see what are all the features available under create option. Okay, so create service is providing documents, docs, sheets, forms, slides, sites, app script, Gsuite add-ons. These are the features available under which one? This create service. Okay, then next one access we are all familiar with. To access all those things we are using Google Drive as well as cloud search. Okay, then connect, for connecting all those things we are using Gmail, Google Meet, Calendar, Google Currents and chat. Okay, then control, under control service there are three sub modules are available, that is admin, endpoints and vault. These are all the main features available under Gsuite. Okay, so Gsuite is an integrated suite of secure cloud native collaboration and productivity apps powered by Google AI. Includes Gmail, documents, Drive, Calendar, Meet and more. It's a suite of cloud computing, productivity and collaboration tools, software and products developed by Google Cloud, and it was first launched on August 28, 2006 as Google Apps for your domain. Okay, so developed by Google platform itself. Okay, so developers Google Cloud and parental company, that is Google itself. These are all the details about our Google Suite or Gsuite. Okay, so Gsuite formerly earlier it was known as Google Apps. Okay, so what is the use of Google Suite? It comprises of Gmail, Hangouts, Calendar and Currents for communication, Drives for storage, document sheets, slides, keep, forms and slides for productivity and collaboration. And depending on the plan, different plans are available here. Depending on the plan, an admin panel and vault for managing users and services are also available. Okay, then for creating a Gsuite account, we must have one Gmail account as well as domain. Means our website should be there. Under our domain we will get a new Gmail ID to access our Gsuite platform. Okay, so Gsuite account will give you access to Gmail on your preferred domain and 30 GB of Google Drive storage as per individual users. Okay, so let us have the comparison between Gmail and Gsuite. Okay, Gsuite accounts, unlike standard Google or Gmail account, Gsuite administrator manages all accounts associated with each of these editions. G Suite provides access to core set of apps that include Google Gmail, Calendar, Drive, Docs, Sheets, Slides, Forms, Google Plus, Hangouts chat, sites and groups. So 14 services already provided, and based on the plans we purchase it will vary. And for the basic plan, very basic plan, we will be able to get the individual storage 30 GB, and for next one it will be more than 30 GB, and the advanced for entrepreneurs that is available for more than 1 terabyte, limited to 5 users. These are about our storage capacity under G Suite. Okay, then how does it work? When you sign up for G Suite, you will gain access to set of integrated apps that work together seamlessly. That is a great advantage of our G Suite. So let us see how to create G Suite account. By using few steps, you can create your G Suite account for 14 days free trial. So from here you can select the number of people for this organization and contact information and your current mail ID for reference. In addition to that, you have to fill all the columns. Then you have to enter that domain, that is website. If you don't have your own website, you have to purchase it first, then only you will be able to have your access on G Suite account. Okay, after completing all these steps, after Google's verification and all, our G Suite account will be ready. Then there will be an admin, so admin can control all the operations associated with all the users in G Suite account. Okay, so within few steps we can create our G Suite account, but we must have a domain. Under that only we can purchase or we can create our G Suite account. After the trial period, we have to review with that, then we will be able to get access as per the plan we purchased. Okay, so it's really a very good platform, very good feature of Google, and for all online session we can make use of this one, and it's secure. Okay, so make use of the great feature provided by Google. Okay, I think this is very useful for you. Then you can give your support in the form of like, share and subscribe, and tap bell icon for getting notified. So keep in touch with Gyantipam. Thanks for watching.